everyone, Miss Tricia here, back with another Simply STEAM activity for you. Today we are going to be crafting with cardboard tubes. I'm going to complete one of the crafts, but then I'll give you other ideas that you can complete at home using whatever you have in your house. I figured everybody has cardboard tubes and toilet paper tubes right now because we're all spending a lot more time at our homes. So I'm going to make a pair of binoculars with my cardboard tubes. And I'm going to show you what that looks like, and then I'm going to set you guys loose to make whatever you want at home with whatever supplies that you have. So I am going to use these 2 toilet paper tubes as the base of my binoculars, and then I'm going to attach them with this green tape. You could also use glue, but I apparently don't have any glue in my house, which is a little strange, but that's okay. I'm going to use what I have. I'm going to use this green tape that will keep them together and also add a little bit of color to my project. And then I'm going to use this yarn as the holder on it so I can put it around my neck when I'm out and about exploring things with my binoculars. All right, let's get started. So that is just one of the ways that you can utilize those toilet paper rolls that have been piling up at your house. And you guys can make yours look a lot fancier than mine. You can add colors, stickers, decorations, jewels, whatever you have in your house. I know each of you has your very own unique style and you can snazz it up however you would like to before you go out exploring. Some other uses for paper towel rolls or toilet paper rolls in your house. I will include links at the bottom of this to make a lightsaber out of a paper towel roll, how to make a rain stick out of a paper towel roll, and also how to make a kaleidoscope out of either a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll. So follow those links if you're looking for more. Again, send pictures. If you make this at home or if you make any of those other things at home, we would love to see them. We would love to see how you're staying creative at home. And please join us next week for another video in our Simply STEAM series. Thanks!